Hello guys. Hello baby. Hello baby. Hello baby. Chup chup chup. Chup chup chup. Chup chup chup. Ah! Chup chup chup.
Hi everyone, this is the day 2 of our vlog. It's already 6:33 a.m. and today is August 12, 2026. It's a Wednesday na. And yesterday, I wasn't able to film much, especially when I was driving because I really want to have a safe, secure, and responsible way of filming inside the car, but I still don't have that camera set up yet, so it's still a struggle. So I wasn't able really to take footages. I wasn't also able to film much when I was in a cafe because there are a lot of people, and yeah, when I drove home, I decided to go out because my lola wanted me to buy a cat food, pero hindi ako naka-uwi ng cat food yesterday from vegan. So, I opted na mag-walking na lang because for some reason, naging sunny day. I mean, nagpakita si Mr. Sun, although it's just a few minutes na intervals kahapon. Pumunta na lang ako sa Karatig barangay, 2 barangays away to buy cat food. Our schedule for this day is really to again go sa ating work kasi may mga ilalakad tayong letters, may mga paperworks pa tayo na for some reason hindi ko magawa-gawa. Yun ang ating agenda for this day.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our 2 outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see. just like to talk with you. I just wanna go out